Hi guys, today we will be trading you and me with the using of new indicator, and it will be a very interesting video. I've read the comments about considering the new indicator, some others, and I decided why not? Kinda, we can find these citations and work them out not only with the indicator or Bollinger Bands for example, but with something new. And that's why I'm telling you, write your ideas or what you would like to see in the next episodes in the comments or in the Telegram chat, everywhere you want. And of course, how to get into the Telegram chat that is closed but you can easily get into there. Find the link in the description under this video and write me the code word private. I will add it to this chat and there you will write everything you want, and there you can tell your stories, your techniques, you can share your experience with others. And also I have a Telegram channel with reviews from the guys who are already members of this chat, and there they write very good things and you can check it yourself. So guys, I'm really eager to start our trading, so let's go. So hi everyone, today we'll consider an indicator called RSI. This is the Relative Strength Index. Well, this is a technical analysis indicator that determines the strength of a trend, the probability of its change. Well, today we will use this indicator to determine the overbought and oversold zone. So this indicator will help us determine the reversal points. So guys, let's switch it on. Well, here I'm clicking this button in the lower left corner, and here in this list of indicators I'm selecting the RSI. So I will leave all the settings by default. I will just make the lines a little thicker. You can choose any color if you wish. So, and right now you can see the indicator RSI on the chart. Well, this indicator consists of two horizontal red lines, one of which has 70 mark and the second one has 30 mark. Well, and the green moving average that is moving between them, well, the signal is the moment when, for example, the moving average is approaching the lower horizontal line mark 30, and in this situation it says the price is in the oversold zone, and in the near future this zone will give the reversal and the price will be rising. So the same way the indicator works, and from the upper horizontal line mark 70. And also there is another use of this indicator when the moving average goes beyond the horizontal line with 30 mark, and after that when it's returning from the bottom up and crossing over the horizontal line with 30 mark. In this moment you can also open trade for an increase. Well, this indicator touches the horizontal line and sometimes it goes beyond it, just like the same way the indicator is working from the upper horizontal line when it goes beyond the horizontal line with 70 mark and then it's crossing over from top to bottom, and this moment you can open trades for a decrease. Well, the indicator will tell us when the price has reached the overbought and oversold zone, and it means that in the soon there will be a reversal and there will be movement in the opposite direction. And I also want to know that this indicator, like any other, has their own errors, so you shouldn't trust only this indicator. First of all, you pay attention to the support and resistance levels as well as the internal levels, and only then take into account the indicator signals. So you should very carefully look at all the citations individually, and you should analyze everything your own. So guys, let's start with the first citation. So here we have the support level, and also there is the downtrend is very good, and the price is approaching our level. So let's look at the indicator. The moving average of the green color has gone beyond the horizontal line with 30 mark, and it means that the price is in the oversold zone. And in this situation I would like to open a trade for an increase for 2 minutes, and I think that very soon there will be a small rollback upwards from the support level, at least since it has approached this level quite confidently, and a slight rollback upwards or kind of retracement must happen. Well guys, it's quite well. There has been the false breakout and the price reversed and went up, so we have got the profit here. Also the indicator showed very good signal to open that trade, and from the oversold zone the volumes began to grow, so it's a very good start. Let's continue. So guys, here you can see the support level, and also the price broke through this level and confidently moved down. So from this point the price has stopped and green candlesticks are beginning to appear. Also, let's look at the indicator. The moving average begins to approach the horizontal line from the bottom up with a mark of 30, and it tells us that in near future the price will be growing. So, and after the impulse breakout of the level, there is some kind of retracement, a slight pull back up. So I think about opening a trade for 2 minutes with up. I think this time will be quite enough here, even the small flat happens. Well guys, it's very good. There has been a small roll back up and we have got the profit here, so 2 minutes were enough for that. Well, the indicator again showed a very good signal. We understood the further price movement, and from the zone the volume started to grow. Well, let's continue. Well, here you can see the resistance level, and the price has been moving up and broke through this level. Now the candlesticks are decreasing, so the price has got into the flat. And let's look at the indicator. The moving average is on the horizontal line with 70 mark, and it means that the price is in the overbought zone. Well, let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down, and right now from this point there is the steady downward movement happening. I think that the price will be still falling in the near future, and 2 minutes will be enough for that. Well, it's very good. So there was a roll back down. We have got the profit here. So from the overbought zone, the volumes really went down, and this indicator showed a very good signal and helped me to determine the further price movement. Well, let's continue. So guys, here you can see the price is quite impulsive and confidently in its movement to the resistance level. Well, let's look at the indicator. It tells us that the price is in the overbought zone. Here I will enter the market for 1 minute with down movement, because the price just at this moment is moving down, and this 1 minute time will be enough for that station. So it's excellent guys, there was a roll back down, we have got the profit again thanks to the indicator that showed very good signal, and from the overbought zone there was a roll back down. Well, let's continue. So here you can see the price broke through the internal level and continued its movement to the main resistance level, where there is the small flat here. So let's look at the indicator. It tells us that a down movement is expected very soon. Well, let's open a trade for 1 minute with down movement, and right after this flat the price is going down. I think that very soon the price will be still rolling back, because after the flat there must be the movement down, and this level is quite strong and it is unlikely to be broken through for the first time. Well, it's excellent guys, really, the small rollback down happened and we have got the profit. So the indicator helped me to determine the overbought zone, and from the zone there was a rollback down. Well, let's continue. So guys, here you can see that after a while the price continued its upward movement and this level was broken through. So, and after that the price stopped and is rolling back down. Well, let's look at the indicator. The moving average has crossed over the horizontal line from top to bottom, and in this situation I will open a trade for 1 minute wet down, and also the situation says that in the near future the price will be still falling down, and I think this time will be enough for that also. I think the price will be moving towards the support level, because after the breakthrough the resistance level becomes the support level, and the price is now approaching it from top to bottom. Well, let's check it. Well guys, it's quite good. After a small roll back up, the down movement continued and we have got the profit here. Also, this indicator helped me to determine the further price movement and showed the overbought zone. So, and from the zone really the volume started to go down. Well, let's consider the next situation. So here you can see the resistance level, and right now the price has impulsively broken through this level. So let's look at the indicator. It is in the overbought zone. So here I will enter the trade for 1 minute wet down, and I think that there will be a rollback down, because like in most cases after the impulsive breakout of the level there is the pullback in the opposite direction, and I think the same thing will happen here. The indicator also says that. Let's continue. Well guys, it's not bad. After a small roll back up, the down movement continued and here we have got the profit, so 1 minute was enough for that. Well, the indicators showed a very good entry point and I have determined the overbought zone, so from this zone the reversal has occurred and the price went down. Let's continue. So guys, here you can see there has been a very confident downtrend and at the bottom there is the support level and right now this is a reversal happening. Well, the moving average is starting to cross the horizontal line from the bottom up and it says that the price will be rising in very soon. So let's open a trade with up movement for 2 minutes only and I think that in this situation this time will be quite enough for our profit. Let's check it. Well, it's excellent. There has been the reversal. We have got the brilliant profit here. So this indicator showed a very good entry point and from the oversold zone, the volumes to increase really started to grow. Well, everything is going well. Let's consider the next situation. So guys, here you can see there has been very confident uptrend and at the top there is the resistance level. The price is confidently moving towards this level and the moving average is starting to exit the horizontal line with the mark of 70. Well, let's open a trade for 1 minute way down. I think that very soon there will be a small rollback down since it's the very first touch of this level for a long time and very likely there will be a small rollback down at least. Let's check it. Well, it's excellent. Really a rollback down happened and we have got the profit here. So from the overbought zone there was a reversal and the volumes went down. So guys, let's consider the next situation. So here you can see that right now there is a very good down movement towards the support level and also pay attention to the moving average and that is approaching the horizontal line with 30 marks. So let's open a trade for 1 minute with up here. I think that very soon there will be a small rollback up from this level and 1 minute will be enough for that. Well, let's check it. Well, it's excellent guys, there was a reversal from the support level and the price confidently went up, so this indicator suggested a brilliant entry point and from the oversold zone the volumes went up. So let's find the next situation on the market. So here you can see the resistance level and right now the price has already broken through this level and starts to roll back down. Well, let's open a trade with down for 1 minute. I think that there will be a rollback down very soon. So, and the indicator also shows that the down movement is expected in the near future. Well, let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. So the rollback downwards happened and we have got the profit here. So 1 minute was enough for that. Well, the indicator showed us the overbought zone from which the down movement occurred. So let's continue and consider the next situation. So here you can see the support level and right now you can see the price has approached this level very confidently and moving average is starting to cross over the horizontal line from the bottom up, and in this edition I would like to open a trade with up. I think that here there will be a small rollback up, at least some kind of retracement. Well, let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. So the rollback up happened and we got the profit here. So the indicator showed a very good entry point and helped me to determine the oversold zone from which the volumes went up. So my deposit is $4,000. So let's open the last trade for today. Let me find something interesting and we will continue. So guys, here you can see the resistance level and also you see the price is impulsively moving towards our level. Let's pay attention to the indicator. The moving average has approached the overbought zone, and in this situation I would like to open a trade for 2 minutes with down movement. I think that very soon there will be a rollback from the resistance level and 2 minutes time with the reserve that the price hasn't reached the level. But in any case it will happen in the near future and then the price will go down, because in most cases after the impulsive approach to the level there is a roll back down, some kind of retracement. Let's check it. Well guys, it's very good. The small flat happened, but after that the down movement continued and we got the excellent, brilliant profit. So this indicator again showed me very good entry point, and from the overbought zone the volumes really went down. So my deposit is $6,500. So let's stop here. All the citations were worked out perfectly, brilliantly, and we got the excellent result from all this trading. So thanks that you have watched this video to the end, because now you have learned about the new indicator called RSI. I think you find it very good and interesting, and you will use it in your trading because it's quite useful if you know how to trade with it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it very interesting and useful to yourself, and that's why I'm telling you and recommending to use this strategy, the technical analysis and these indicators in your trading. Make your own money and come to my Telegram chat and share your results with others. I mean, share, kind of tell others, not share your money kind of with them, yeah? So guys, it's been the brilliant trading with you, and I'm really waiting for you in my Telegram chat. So find the link in the description under this video and write me the code word private, and you will be with me finally if you're not still a member of my dream team. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, write your idea about what you would like to see in the next episodes in the comments or in the Telegram chat, as I said, for everyone, and I'll see you next time.